guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jessica. And today I'm sharing something special. It is my first nesting vlog, and I did share in my last video that I was going to announce something, but I never did. But here we are, our first nesting video, so please join me.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty.
So at the moment, this is baby's cupboard, and I just pushed everything in here as we bought them, but I want to pack out everything and take off the tags of the clothes. And these are new clothes, and then I also have some hand-me-down clothes which I also wanted to wash along with the new clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna take everything out, lay them on the bed, and pack everything as it should be, as I wanted for baby. And yeah.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Feels like, feels like, feels like you dropping firing, natural disasters. My baby is moved around me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your
So for clothes, I'm gonna show you what we purchased so far and taking the tags off as I go. So this is the first outfit. If you can't tell, it is a girl baby I'm carrying. And then I have this sleeper onesie. Hello World. This is a newborn. And then she also got this pink onesie, and it's also a newborn. Then these are all the socks. I think this is enough socks for her for now. And I also got these on Temu. And these ballerina ones. Next up, I have some vest for long sleeve. These are all 3 to 6 months. I'm assuming I'm going to have a big baby, but yeah, I have smaller vests as well. This is a note to 3. Then we have some leggings, a white one, a green one, another green vest, this color, a one, not a onesie, a legging. This is a 0 to 3 months. And then this is the very first thing I bought. Think it's cute. It's like denim, but soft denim. Then I have this muslin material thing. I think this is so cute. It's like a wrap. A muslin romper. Then she got some caps, 2 caps. I think this is what I'm going to take to the hospital with me. A white vest. And then this, and this cute tutu. So I think we are sorted with clothes for now for her. This is all just the new items that I got. This is a sleep onesie as well, but this she won't wear until about 1 years old because it is a 12 to 18 months onesie. Then I have some face cloths for a 5-pack. And now for some of the hand-me-downs. A cute cap. Another one. Another one. This. A Ralph Lauren. Cute jacket. And a top. And this is shoes. Never worn. But it is a size 4 that she will only wear when she's also started walking already.
Through dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes,
the next day of this nesting video. Today I just got myself a little bit cute because yesterday I felt so ugh and hot, but today I'm still hot. The fan is on, and yeah, I just wanted to show you. I washed the clothes. I ironed baby's clothes and folded it up nicely. So the next part I'm gonna do is put them in these cubicle cubbies that I bought. Put them in the cupboard, and basically we are just going to move everything to the cupboard, nice and organized. So yeah. Feel like, feel like, feel like. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like all I can choose. And I swear, feel like all I can choose. Will you ever know you don't know my name? And when we make love, you don't know my name. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my name. Everything I need between those stars. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like all I can choose. And I swear, feel like all I can choose. Will you ever know you don't know my? I'll take some time. Just to be thankful that I had this for of you, before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories. But this is how far I came. These are gonna be all hanged, and still need to figure out what to do with this, but let's continue. added this cube there at the bottom of the hanging clothes, so I just want to put some wipes in here.